Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make air fried Oreos in your Ninja Foodi using Oreos and Pillsbury dough crescent rolls. So basically you just need these two ingredients. There is nothing else that you need. You can fit 5 or 6 in at a time. I only used 5 because I also cooked a second recipe at the same time right after this one shot, which I will post tomorrow. Take your Pillsbury dough crescent rolls and spread them apart, and you want to take one Oreo at a time and roll them up and make sure that you have the Oreo completely covered with your crescent roll. It doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be fancy. If you really wanted to get crazy, you could probably fit maybe 6 or 7, but I wouldn't risk it. I wouldn't want these touching inside the air fryer, and they really only take 6 minutes or so to actually fry. So I had my 5 Oreos ready to go. You want to spray your air fryer inside, give the bottom a nice coating, and then just place your Oreo cookies on the bottom. Line them all around, make sure none of them are touching, and then give a spray one more time to the top of your Oreos, which I did not show in this video. Close it up, air fry for 6 minutes. And when you are done, in 6 minutes, you will be transported to the fair. And it is so good. I cannot tell you. It is so good. We ate this whole thing in about 3 seconds. I'm going to make them again tonight for my kids when they come home. It is soft and gooey. And I didn't use any butter or oil. I just used a little spray. But the Pillsbury does have a little butter in it. I mean, we all know that. But totally worth it, guys. I hope you give this a shot. So good.